What paper pad will I be attempting to smash in January? Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and welcome to our new collab, the Paper Stash Smash. So this is the collection that I'm going to be working on all through January, and I'll show you the results of it in February. You want to see what it is? So it's a Valentine's collection called Love Notes from Echo Park. I picked this up during one of their warehouse sales, and I believe you have till the 3rd of January, and they still have a sale going on. So yes, it's a Valentine's Day collection, and I'm going to be working on this all through January, and I will be showing you some videos of the projects I made, and then I'll do a wrap up February 1st and show you what I have completed for February. Can I use this whole collection up? We'll find out. Let me show you the collection real quick. All right, let's take a look at the collection. So it's called Love Notes. It's from Echo Park. It came out in 2023. So we've got, the reason I like this collection is because it had this teal in it, and I thought that was nice. It just was a nice accompaniment to the red and the pink. So we've got the little heart balloons with some clouds, and the back is this gorgeous red on red paper with the hearts. The cut aparts are all lots of fun. You make my heart beat faster with love, you and me. I love you a bushel and a peck. Who remembers that? My life would suck without you. Just a little love note. I like to have these to hide in the RV and show the hubby, or let the hubby see it every once in a while. So there is those cut aparts, and the back side is that just some pretty flower wreaths. This one is just some writing. Oh my darling, love you forever, forever and always. And a nice check on the back. Here are some tags. You guys know how much I love tags. I will see what I can do with these. Even if I don't smash this using a mini album, I could see using these for some cards, which would be fun to do. I need to send cards to the kids. Some flowers, different groupings of flowers with some more of that teal background. This would be appropriate for sending the kids letters. So we've got paper airplanes with a little whoosh whoosh, and I actually have stamps that would go along with this. And just some red and pink on a lighter pink background. I didn't get solids to match with this because I know I have red and pinks and teal solids. Some 4x4 cut aparts. Oh my darling, love, you were so loved. Love day every day, which it is. Such a love bug. Room to write. So if I did something like 3 things I love about you, I'd put it on there. And love these stripes. Stripes with some dotted lines. That's fun. Background that's got some, sort of looks like wood grain and flowers on that. Real fun print. And a tone-on-tone heart background. Mailbox, again, good for if I send cards out. Airmail, love letters, always yours. Little balloons too. And so cute. Lots of envelopes and letters. Here is a grouping of flowers with that teal predominant in the background. And as I'm looking at this, saying these dots, these are black, which there's not much black in the collection, but that means I could use black as a base if I were to do a mini album. Some red on teal. That is beautiful. Is that teal? Would you call that teal? Or is that robin's egg blue? I don't know. But it's a pretty color. Hearts on a string. And some dotted background. And 4x6 cut aparts. All going landscape, which means if I had a choice of making a landscape or a portrait mini album, I would probably do landscape, but I also could do 6x6. Just not sure. I'm sure I'll do a mini album. I'm not sure what else I'll do. Love bug. Those are so cute and all different colors. And then the back is sort of arrows with teal blue, robin's egg, whatever color that is. And then the stickers, just what you would imagine, hearts and mailboxes, just different flowers, lots of fun things, a little border. So lots of things to use. It's not a huge collection. There is not many pages in this. How many does it say? 12 double-sided papers plus the sticker. And again, this is the Love Notes collection from Echo Park. The idea of the paper stash smash is to pick a criteria and use it through the month and give you some encouragement on what you can do to smash paper pads in your collection. You don't have to use this one, but if you want, you can. There are other people in the collaboration that are going to be working on smashing a paper pad also. So the criteria for January is a 12 by 12 collection. Do we only have to use one collection? No. If the collaborators think they could smash 2 or 3, they are quite welcome to try. If you would like to try to smash something in your stash, a 12 by 12 collection, then go ahead and do what you can. And as you're doing the videos, or on February 1st when we are showing you the results of our smash, you can post on social media what you've done using the hashtag #PaperStashSmash. So that's what I plan on doing for January. So don't forget to like and subscribe and stick around and see what I am able to do with this collection. That is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.